Go to the game folder. Scroll down. Select Play RDR2. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. Choose the option to disable full screen optimizations. Choose the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Select RDR2. Right-click it. Click on Properties. Click on Compatibility. In the specific case of RDR2, check the option to run this program in compatibility mode. Check the option to disable full screen optimizations and check the option to run this program as administrator. Click on Apply. Click on OK. Go to Documents. Open the Rockstar Games folder. Open Red Dead Redemption 2. Open Settings. Pay attention to the files called SGA Vulkan and select all of the files with this name. Right-click them and click on Delete. Select the system file, right-click it, move your mouse to Open With and choose Notepad. Click on Edit and click on Find. Write API and press Enter. Scroll down. Select the Vulkan word and write DX12. Click on File, click on Save, and close the file. Right-click Riva Tuner and click on Close. If you run the game as administrator and you are using a certain platform or launcher, such as for example Steam, you will also need to launch Steam as administrator. Go to the Steam folder, scroll down, select Steam, right-click it, click on Properties, go to Compatibility, and check the option Run this program as administrator. Click on Apply, click on OK. You need to do this for any type of platform or launcher that you are using to run the game. Like and subscribe to support my work, and is there any other solution you need? Tell me in the comments.